So I made about 158K in the last 30 days with this new product using AI ads that look like this.
The one you can actually go in the bathroom in, unless you're getting it today because he just dropped.
And this. Let me refresh my page here for the skeptics watching. And the best thing about it is I found this product in about 10 minutes using Kalo data. For those of you that don't know, it's a platform that makes it easy to see what's crushing on TikTok Shop. Now let's not waste any time here and get straight into the sauce. Let's start with the product. Now I'm not gonna reveal the exact product I sold because I'm actually gonna build a brand out of this and I don't wanna encourage competition, but I'll show you exactly how I found it on this platform without getting overwhelmed. It can get pretty overwhelming because there's thousands of products on this platform. Now, first off, we're always looking for a problem-solving product. I've talked a lot about this in previous videos, but long story short, it's much easier to convince random people to buy from a random website, AKA you, when the product is easily pitched as a solution to a problem versus it being something that's just cool or trendy. This sheet right here highlights the only product niches that you should be selling in as a drop shipper. Pause and screenshot this so you can save it for later. Now, when it comes to Kalo data, it's really simple. Right here on the page here, you see endless pages of products. This is where you wanna go, the filters. I wanna look at last 30 days. I wanna see what products have grown in the last 30 days, 70 to 100%, meaning have nearly doubled in sales. I'm gonna look at a certain category here. For the sake of this video, I'm actually gonna go for the women's wear and underwear because I found some pretty cool like problem solvers in there. Revenue growth rate, we're gonna do 70% or more. So essentially has grown 70% in sales or more. So the reason for the revenue growth rate filtering is so that way we don't have to look through thousands of products. We can just see what's currently going viral right now, and then we can potentially find an opportunity there. It's not always the case, but it's definitely an easy filter to skip through all of the crap. Right on this page, right, we can see this one 622K, this one 313K. A lot of these have done 6 figures. Some of these have done high 5 figures, right? So right off the bat, I'm gonna look at the first few. I can see here a bra product, a shapewear product. Shapewear products are pretty big. It's an insecurity. Women hiding their belly fat, hiding their love handles, etc. Now, typically, like I'm gonna look through a few pages before I catch something that I'm actually interested in. I mean, we could see this one right here, the shapewear part, because I know shapewear is a big, I mean, man, it's been selling for years, these kind of products. It's a big insecurity solver. This one in particular has done 300K in the past 30 days. They're selling it for nearly 40 bucks, which is pretty good on TikTok. So what this product does is it's a tummy control butt lifter. These kind of outfits are very popular, you know, especially nowadays. They've been for the last few years. So this is like an easy off, easy on, because it's typically like, these are one-piece suits. So this is like a big problem solver for women, especially if they really have to go to the bathroom. Now you're probably thinking, is it as simple as me finding that product in the first page of Kalo data and then choosing it? That's not always the case. I just happened to find something really interesting on the first page here. And the fact that I know that this product is a very mass appeal product, it's very relatable and it's a big problem solver, then I can have the confidence to go and sell this, right? There's a lot of overthinking that goes on in product research and choosing a product to sell. You're the first product you sell, the second product you sell, even the 10th, 20th product you sell, it might not be the product that you actually like make big moves with, but this is definitely something that's worth testing. Now, to find this product to drop ship it is really easy. I use Team Drop. I've been using them for years. I've sold hundreds of thousands of units with them, and the average delivery time has been 7 to 12 days. Most of the time you get like 3-week shipping times with drop shipping. I would argue 7 to 12 days is pretty good. You just connect Team Drop to your store. Once you're in here, this is essentially your account, and then we can easily go to find product, Team Drop products, and then we can search by image and find the product and it'll come up here. I'll go and then copy the image right here, go over to Team Drop, and then literally just paste it. And they have dozens of these products, or if they don't have the exact product, all we have to do is open our dedicated WhatsApp chat with our private dropshipping agent, and they will source it for you. They'll go talk to the factory, source it, and do it all for you. And then all your orders, as you can see, I have tons of orders here because unlike most other YouTubers that pitch you a dropshipping supplier they're not actually using, I actually use Team Drop. Make sure to use the link in the description to sign up for Team Drop. I have custom pricing with that link, and they will give you special treatment because you came through my link. Now, what makes Kalo data so great is if we're going with this product, we want to go test it, we can immediately start taking action because we have all of the ads that have performed, have been responsible for this 300K in revenue. You scroll down here, you see this ad brought in $70,000 of that 300K. That's a high percentage of that revenue. This ad brought in 22K. This ad brought in 20K. Let's take a look at some of these. I mean, there's a lot of Hispanic, but okay. Some products are weird, man. I mean, it is a problem solver. So let's just take a look at a different one. Okay, this one's pretty good.
Look at this viral shapewear, the one you can actually go in the bathroom in. Unless you're getting it today because they just dropped their price on the 2-pack and you're getting free shipping, and some of you even have coupons, so make sure you tap down below to see if you have one. Whoever said you can use those shapewear with a zipper in the bottom and you're not gonna pee yourself is lying.
Okay, so you have to learn how to speak to your customer, who the audience is, right? So speak in their language, and that's exactly what these ads are doing. So if they did 300K in revenue, and this product is mass appeal, it solves a big problem for women, I guarantee you can go and sell this as well, as long as you test enough ads, find winning ads, and don't give up. This is scalable. Again, going back to my sales, we can look March 11th to April 11th, 2026. This is the last 30 days. I did 158K doing exactly this. That's why the opportunity is even bigger today, because you can use AI ads to get results. You don't have to work with creators. You don't have to do any of that. You can be anywhere in the world and still create AI ads, run ads, start testing immediately. Like, I started testing this product literally within 1 day. There's this saying, it's money loves speed. You have to move fast. Now, if you've tried dropshipping before and you watch videos like this, you see me talking about this and you still get overwhelmed, you still don't know how to take action yourself. That's why I do have a one-on-one mentorship where we help you one-on-one, find the product, build the store, run the ads, and actually make sure that you get sales in scale. So if that's something that you'd be interested in, we get on live calls with you, we have a chat with you, we do everything with you one-on-one. First link in the description below if that's something that interests you. Now, like I said earlier, you gotta move with speed in this game. That's why creating a brand name, a logo, and a Shopify store is done in minutes now with AI. Let me show you how easy this really is. So first thing I'm gonna do is create a brand name logo with design.com. This is a really easy tool for beginners to use. I actually use it myself, and I'm not a beginner. First thing you want to do at design.com is go to the AI section right here and then click AI business name generator. We just want to take inspiration from this. I like that name She Curve, so I'm just gonna kind of put the word She Curve in here. Curve appeal. I actually really like that name. Butt boost. It's not about boosting. Obviously, this product is to make it easier to go to the bathroom. Curvy Comfort is a good name. I actually really like that name. Let's go with that name. Just like that, the AI already created logos for us, can either go with or we can work off of. The main feature I want to show you guys is the AI chat that does anything you want it to do. As you can see, there's 210 pages of logos that the AI created for you in seconds. So personally for me, I typically just go for text logos. I don't really add any like shiny objects or anything like that. This one caught my attention. So the good thing with design.com is it's actually only 15 bucks a month, but you can start creating your designs and everything without actually paying for the platform. You only have to pay when you download. So I just want to make this like a bit more feminine, have the AI essentially adjust some stuff here. So first of all, I want to remove this ESTD25. Basically just said remove the red text, and then the AI will do it for me. And as you can see, the AI did it for me. So played around with it, and you can see how sophisticated the AI is. If you tell it references like Barbie, you know, it kind of knows what to do. I said give the logo a Barbie theme. You know, I just want to keep this simple, so I'm just gonna go with this, and then all I have to do is click download, and I'm gonna sign up, and it's gonna let me download. Now that I have the logo ready to go, I wanna go and create the entire Shopify store with AI. Crafted does it all for me, and you can actually get your first store done for free using the link below. Completely free. All you have to pay for is Shopify's $1 subscription. So you go to this page and then follow all the instructions, and then it'll take you into Shopify right here, and all we have to do is put a link, an AliExpress link, Amazon link, or an Alibaba link. And so I found it on Alibaba, and I'm basically just gonna put the link in, and it's going to create the entire store for me. So as you can see, it's gonna do this, and it actually takes about 5 minutes. It's researching the product, it's designing everything, does it all for us. And real quick guys, if you're enjoying the video so far, make sure to like and subscribe. I keep it raw and real here with all my videos, and I really appreciate every one of you. All right, so now the store is ready. All we have to do is click view and edit your store, and then it will take us to this. This has been done in 5 minutes. It looks great. You'll have to make a few tweaks, but it did the heavy lifting for you. Like imagine going from finding a product to then building an entire website in the matter of minutes. Actually, in my last YouTube video, I showed you guys exactly how I did that with another product. This is actually that same Shopify account, but these images I created with AI, and it took me literally minutes. So we could do the same for this other product as well. The lazy people are gonna love this this next part because I figured out how to make AI your complete marketing brain. Now's the point where you actually want to go create ads to launch and test them, right? But in order for us to create AI UGC that looks just as good as this or similar, we're gonna need AI prompts to actually give to the AI tool to create UGC for us. Now, we don't want to have to do that ourselves. So what I do is I train an AI on our product, on who our customer avatar is. And this process that I created right here, all you have to do is follow it step by step. It's super easy. You get the deep research of the product with ChatGPT, and then you get the customer avatar details. So essentially it spits out all the information about the demographics, right? The pain points of the customer, the goals and aspirations, right? So it basically becomes an expert on your product, and then it's able to give you prompts to create the UGC. So essentially the AI does a lot of the heavy lifting for you. I'm gonna link this document below for free. All you gotta do is click it, download it, whatever you need, it's free. Now, typically the AI LLM that I feed these documents to is Claude. Claude becomes my AI marketing expert. But nowadays, what I like to use more is Blort. This is a platform that essentially connects to any AI model. So as we can see here, the chat window connects to Claude. But here's the key, right? This probably looks like a lot to you right now. It's kind of like what's that one platform called? A Miro board or whatever. The way this Blort board works is very simple. You first have your chat, and then you have all of the trainings connected to the chat. But these are all external sources. I don't have to upload files. I don't have to upload MP4 files. I can just copy and paste links. Like these TikTok links were just copied and pasted into the board. We have group 1, which is our prime docs. We're connecting that to the chat to study them. Then group 2, we have our top UGC videos that have been responsible for the success of the TikTok shop product that we want the AI to study. And then group 3 and group 4, shout out to Alex Cooper. Essentially, I want to give the AI content on UGC, ad creative, image ads, best practices for that when it comes to e-commerce. I highly recommend checking out Alex Cooper. He teaches a lot of valuable stuff about UGC and ad creative and all that. So I just want an easy way to train the AI on a specific skill set. So watch what happens when I give this prompt to the chat. It basically says, hey, it's setting the tone. It's giving it a role to play. You are a branded e-commerce expert. You have yada, yada, yada. First, I need you to study group 1, then group 2, then group 3 and 4. So we'll paste it in here, and then we want to use Claude 4.6 Sonnet because it's a good enough model. I mean, Opus is better, but it does take up a lot of credits with Blort. So I like to use 4.6 Sonnet. It's definitely been good enough. So now in literally seconds, it's gonna go ahead and study all of these groups. As you can see, it just did that. So now you can be lazy and still win with dropshipping because AI can do a lot of the heavy lifting for you. You guys have no excuses anymore. The AI says I'm locked in and ready. You know it's real. And just like that, we created a marketing expert for this product in minutes. Guys, if you want me to share this Blort board with you, leave a comment below. If I get at least 100 comments on this video, I can share this Blort board with you and you can simply duplicate it on your own Blort account. If you want to sign up, there's a Blort link in the description below. Now, when it comes to creating these AI UGC ads, most tools that are being pitched to you are just complete dog shit. I mean, there's so many tools out there and it can get extremely overwhelming. Nowadays, there's only 2 tools that I actually use. That's what this next part's about. So when it comes to creating our first AI ads, all we have to do is replicate what's already working. And then afterwards is when we use our ads brain here to come up with more ads, more ideas, more fresh concepts. But to get things launched as quickly as possible, which is what I did with the store that did, 6 figures the first 30 days, was taking the proven winning concepts that are here on Kalo data from my competitor and then going over to an AI platform like TopView. TopView has actually been incredible with the newest AI models that have come out, like Kling 3, Cdance 2.0. I've been having a lot of luck with that. Wait till you see the result that I have here. I basically just upload a reference video here, but the issue is that these models are still limited to the amount of seconds that they can do. So even with the reference video, you can only upload up to 15 seconds. So let's take a look at the actual video that I want to replicate here, which is this one, and this one's 25 seconds. So what I do is just break it up into 15-second intervals. In this case, because it's a 25-second video, one is 15 seconds and one is 10 seconds. And so the first one I'm gonna do is the first clip, right? But what we wanna do is not just replicate it, we wanna actually replicate the video with a different model, a different ethnicity. That's the easiest way to copy it without copying it. What I've seen with this product from the research that I did with my AI brain is that that the customer avatar tends to be a lot of African American women. You know, they do wear these kind of, you know, one-piece shapewears a lot. That's just a popular thing with, you know, certain ethnic groups. What I did was, using CDance 2.0, upload the reference, and then I just gave it a simple prompt: replicate this clip with an African American woman instead, 9:16. Duration, it was defaulted to 15 seconds, which was good because the input video was 15 seconds as well. And let's take a look at the result.
This viral shapewear, the one you can actually go in the bathroom in, unless you're getting it today because they just dropped their price on the 2-pack and you're getting free shipping, and some of you even have coupons, so make sure you tap down below to see if you have one. Whoever said you can use those shapewear with a zipper in the bottom and you're not gonna pee yourself is lying.
Dude, I'm not even joking. I can't even tell that that's AI. Like, that's actually incredible. And this is the kind of stuff that I've been doing. You see, with AI now, whether it's video or image, we're able to create content insanely fast in a high volume and test very quickly. Like I said, money loves speed, and AI is giving us the ability to be as fast as possible. So this is great. What I would then do is essentially make sure that it's actually the full video, that full script, which is 25 seconds. So then I'd put in the other clip, and then all you have to do is just use a tool like CapCut, and then we'll put it in here, and then we just play around with it, edit it, make sure it's fully polished and good to go to start running ads. It's as simple as that. And then I asked my ads brain, what is the pattern you notice from the winning ads? And it tells me the dominant hook is that the same core pain point is you can go to the bathroom in this. So the main problem solver here is women can go to the bathroom with this while wearing their favorite bodysuit. So we really just want to make more ads around that angle and have our AI brain help us come up with ad ideas and scripts. I think TopView is one of the easiest AI platforms for beginners right now. So if you want to get that, there's a link in the description. I have a discount there, and it's as simple as that. Now that's it for today's video, guys. If you want to see exactly how I launch these as Facebook ads, watch this video right here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.